Welcome to ICT Kenya with Bob. Today's topic, Mastering Spreadsheet Basics with Lanchester Motors Ltd. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ICT Kenya. This is Bob, your guide for all things ICT. In today's video, we will go through a practical exercise to master spreadsheet skills using data from Lanchester Motors Limited. But before we start, let's talk about why spreadsheets are so important in real life. Spreadsheets are an essential tool for organizing and analyzing data in many fields, including business, finance, engineering, and education. They help us make informed decisions by providing a clear and structured way to handle large amounts of information. Whether you're tracking expenses, planning a project, or analyzing sales data, spreadsheets make it easier to visualize and understand your data. Now, if you don't have Excel installed on your computer, don't worry. You can get it from the Microsoft Office website or use the online version at office.com. If you're looking for free alternatives, consider using Google Sheets or LibreOffice Calc. Both are excellent tools that can handle most of the tasks we'll cover today. Step 1. Entering data. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet program. In Excel, you can do this by clicking on the Excel icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once Excel is open, create a new blank workbook. Next, enter the data as shown in Figure 1. Click on cell A1 and start typing the data row by row. Here's a quick tip. After typing in a cell, press the Tab key to move to the next cell on the right, and press Enter to move to the cell below. Once all the data is entered, save your file by clicking on File Save As, and name it Car Prices. Step 2. Formatting the worksheet. Step 2. Insert a row above the column headings. To do this, right-click on the row number 1 on the left side and select Insert. Now click on cell A1 and type Lanchester Motors Limited. Select cells A1 to G1 by clicking and dragging your mouse across these cells. Go to the Home tab and click on Merge and Center to merge these cells and center the label. This step helps in creating a clean and professional-looking spreadsheet. Step 3. Formatting column headings. Step 3. Format the column headings by setting the orientation, background color, and font color. First, select the range A2 to G2. Then, go to the Home tab and click on the Orientation button. It looks like a slanted AB, and select Angle Counterclockwise. Next, set the background color to black by clicking on the Fill Color button, Paint Bucket icon, and selecting black. Finally, set the font color to white by clicking on the Font Color button, the letter A, with a red underline, and selecting white. Proper formatting makes your data more readable and presentable. Step 4. Renaming worksheet. Step 4. Rename the worksheet to CRSP. To do this, right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom, usually named Sheet 1, and select Rename. Type in CRSP and press Enter. This helps you keep track of different data sets efficiently. Step 5. Copying data to a new sheet. Step 5. Copy the contents of CRSP to a new sheet. Right-click on the CRSP Sheet tab, select Move or Copy, then check the Create a Copy box and click OK. Rename the News Sheet to CRSB Computed by right-clicking on the News Sheet tab, selecting Rename, typing in CRSB Computed, and pressing Enter. This allows you to work on calculations without altering the original data. Step 6. Applying conditional formatting. Step 6. Use conditional formatting to apply a purple font color, bold, and underline for car values costing between 1 million and 5 million. Select the range G2 to G16. Go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and select New Rule. Choose Format only cells that contain. Set the values to between 1 million and 5 million, and click on Format. Set the font color to purple, select Bold, and Underline. Click OK twice to apply the formatting. Conditional formatting is a great tool to highlight important data. Step 7. Entering a formula. Step 7. Enter a formula in cell G20 to compute the total cost of Toyota cars. Click on cell G20 and type the formula equals SUMIF, A2, A16, Toyota, G2, G16, and press Enter. This formula helps you quickly sum up specific data within a range. Step 8. Calculating depreciation. Step 8. Calculate the new selling price in column H with a depreciation rate of 55%. Click on cell A20 and type depreciation rate. In cell B20 type 0.55. Click on cell H2 and type equals G2 asterisk $1-$B$20 and press Enter. Drag the fill handle from cell H2 down to H16 to apply the formula to all the rows. Depreciation calculations are vital for understanding the value of assets over time. Step 9. Generating remarks on vehicle consumption. Step 9. Generate remarks on vehicle consumption using the if function based on engine capacity. Click on cell I2 and type equals if C2 2500 expensive, if C2 equals 1500 moderate, economical, and press Enter. Drag the fill handle from cell I2 down to I16 to apply the formula to all the rows. This function helps classify data based on specific criteria. Step 10. Generating subtotals. Step 10. Copy the content of CRSB to a news sheet. Rename it Subtotals. Select the data range including headers. Go to the Data tab, click on Subtotal, and set the options to add each change and make, use function sum, and add subtotal to CRSB KS. Click OK. Subtotals make it easier to analyze group data. Step 11. Filtering data. Step 11. Copy the content of CRSB to a new worksheet. Filter to display engine capacities greater than 5,000 and rename it Filtered. Select the data range including headers. Go to the Data tab, click on Filter, then click the drop-down arrow in the engine capacity column. Choose Number Filters and select Greater Than. Enter 5,000 and click OK. Filtering helps you focus on specific data points. Step 12. Creating a clustered column chart. Step 12. Insert a clustered column chart to compare vehicle models and their prices. Select the data range for the models and prices. Go to the Insert tab, click on Insert Column or Bar Chart, and select Clustered Column. Label the chart by adding a chart title and axis titles. Set the chart title to CRSB Comparison, the x-axis to Model, and the y-axis to Price and KS. Charts are excellent for visual data analysis. Step 13. Printing. Step 13. Print the following: CRSP chart. Filtered. CRSP showing row and column headings. CRSP computed column H only, showing formulas. To print, go to File Print, and select the appropriate options for each sheet. Printing ensures you have a physical copy of your work for reference. That's it for today's session. Remember to practice these steps and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ICT Kenya for more tutorials. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.